Oh, smoke. Welcome to Minton Trucker's Garage, where we do stuff backwards. I can't sleep. I'm off tomorrow because I got kids' graduations. I got one graduating from kindergarten, one graduating from elementary, going into middle school, and I'm wide awake. So I'm gonna go ahead and mess with my gas tank. Go ahead and get it primed and painted, and might tinker with something else too. Don't know yet, but let's get to it. I covered up my frame because I don't want any dust, paint dust get on it. I'm not really too worried about that, about my transmission cross member, because I can always turn around and repaint that. So, but I got the frame covered up pretty good. So, like I said, I'm not too worried about that. But I'm hoping I got enough primer, because I do believe this is my last can of primer. Let me look. That's my last can. So, yeah. That's my last can. So we're going to have to take it easy. So let's go ahead and get this out. Get the gas tank on top. Come on, fuel line. I'm gonna get my screws out. I'm not worried about that because I'm getting a new pump. But I really want to plug this one up over here. One of these hoses, that way it don't get fuel or paint down in it. This might not work. That'll work perfect. Perfectly. Now we gotta let it dry. I wasn't talking to you, Warren. I forget to hit record again. Got the bottle done. Hey, you want to pick up all those cans? I get my woman to pick up all those cans. I keep forgetting to pick them up.
Gee, thanks.
You're welcome, baby.
Love you.
Love you too. All right, guys. Well, let that dry and we'll start the it's way back here. I'm glad I got my frame paint covered. Caught all that dust and I popped off that. I guess I can get that other side. Man, that looks good. Come closer and I'll give you a look at it. It looks brown for now, but once it dries, it will look black. Because that's what this is. And as you see, they're black. So, that would be that color once it's dry. So, there we go. That's that. Well, except for the bottom. Hey, I got somebody that helps here that's want to help us paint. So I'm gonna tilt the video or the phone forward, or the camera forward, and I'm gonna introduce you to my little helper. She's happy about this. So this is my beautiful daughter, Pepe, and she's going to help me spray paint this, which I forgot to paint inside. So I'll be right back. So we ain't got more paint. So baby, you don't want to put this so close, okay? So you want to. Not empty. I just want to fix something. I don't know what it is with these cans of the undercarriage coating, but the hole keeps clogging up, so I got an idea for that. Let's see if that works. So what do you think? You good?
Yes, good.
You want to go back up out front and play?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks for helping Daddy. Love you.
Love you.
Well, have fun.
My break. I'm playing shooting.
She's going back out front and play. That little trick didn't work. I thought maybe if I make the opening a little bit bigger. Thought if I make the hole a little bit bigger, it would work. But it didn't. So I'm going to get back to spraying this. Well, it's got the second coat on it. Well, one side. Well, all but one side. I hate these cans. They make it so hard to get it out. I think they need to get a better way to get it out. Other than that, I mean, she's good for you know, doing little paint jobs. So it works. So guys, thanks for watching this episode of Mint and Sugar's Garage, where we do stuff backwards on the tank refreshment. That's what you might call it. Refreshment. Refresh slash replace. It's a new gas tank. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that notification bell wherever it's at. And see you on the next video. Later.